Hey dude, there's a boat.
Hey there is, let's go get it.
I'm scared, there's sharks in the sea. And deep sea creatures and I can't swim.
Stop being a scary cat, let's just swim over there. I'll hold you.
I'm not a scary cat, you black Dumbo. Now we are stuck on this stupid island and you're talking about swimming over there. Is you crazy? You're not going to hold me cause.
Look, I was just saying so you can shut up, you dog. Okay, well this sucks.
Looser, specking of looser, let me sing you a song.
Okay, if it's dumb I don't care.
We are trapped here over sea and it sucks here. Well, the boat is coming, so shut up.
Well, the boat's here, let's get on, and I can tell that that song was dumb cause you didn't sing it.